Tigma Sir's assistant Veer just called me one day and said, "Come over, sir wants to meet you." So I went, and then sir said, "दाढ़ी बना के क्यों नहीं आया?" Sir, किसने बोला नहीं, तो जा दाढ़ी बना के आ. So I went and got myself shaved and then came back and then, "Chashma kahan hai bhai?" he said. And then somebody brought chashmas and put them on me, and I wondered whether this was for Harry Potter. No, it wouldn't have been Harry Potter. And then he said, "Okay, guess kar tu kaun hai?" And then my first guess was Mahatma Gandhi, but then I thought probably not. And then I guessed correctly. And then he brought in the other people who were in the office at the time and asked them, "Lag raha hai na?" And then they said, "Haan, lag raha hai." So that was pretty much it. I read his biography, His Majesty's Opponent, by Shugata Bose, his grandnephew. From the book, for the first time I realized what a very learned man he was. He wasn't just somebody who had a couple of degrees, he was somebody who had read extensively. He was very well read. He wrote a lot. He was fluent even he learned German as well, from what I know. He was a true philosopher warrior. And his philosophies disagreed with Gandhiji's quite a lot on the ways and means to achieve freedom. And he spelled them out very clearly and very pragmatically.
क्योंकि आपके भगवान सिर्फ एक ही धर्म के लोगों को दर्शन देते हैं, मुझे पूरे हिंदुस्तान के लिए प्रार्थना करनी थी. वहाँ तो सारे धर्म के लोग रहते हैं. शायद हम आपके भगवान के लायक ही नहीं.
Even in the scene that we're preparing for now, he outlines his reasons as to why we needed to fight for freedom, that it would not just be given to us. The lines that I'm about to do in this scene, the lines say that there's not a single example of a subjugated country winning freedom without taking up arms.
मानवता की पूरी इतिहास में मुझे एक भी ऐसा जिक्र नहीं मिला जिसमें किसी गुलाम देश को बिना हथियार उठाए आजादी मिली हो. जब तक हम हिंदुस्तानी निहत्थे रहेंगे, जब तक ब्रिटिश हुकूमत के पास एक मजबूत फौज खड़ी होगी और जब तक हम उस फौज के खिलाफ हथियार नहीं उठाएंगे, तब तक हमें आजादी नहीं मिल सकती.
So whatever he did was very well thought out. He didn't just do things because they felt right.